For the 1 1/4 lying hamstring curl, you're going to get in the lying hamstring curl machine. Make sure you adjust the pads and that the pad is at your back of your calf above your ankle height before you start the movement. 1 1/4 reps simply means that we're doing partials within our standard reps. So what you'll do is you'll come up, you'll come about 1/4 of the way down, and then you'll go all the way back up and then go all the way down. So see how we come up, partially down, come back up, and then go all the way down. Now, if you're ending up somewhere closer to like 1.5 reps, that's totally fine. We're not going to get that picky about this, right? Bigger picture here, we want a partial rep and then we want a full rep. You're going to notice this is going to be more difficult. You will not be able to do as much weight as you do when you're just doing standard reps. That's normal. With this movement, from the bottom of the movement, we kind of want to accelerate a little bit faster, so through the concentric. So for example, when we're here at the absolute bottom of the movement, we want to drive it up just slightly faster for that first like 10 to 15% out of the, again, concentric right there. You can see it's a little bit faster. That's just because our calves are going to help out a little bit extra before pulling it into our hamstrings for the rest of the movement. What we want to avoid is having our back arching a ton or having our hips lift up a ton in order to get this. We want to make sure that our knee is dribble position and we don't have our knee locked in by the pad or anything like that. We're having our hips push all the way upward like that. That's what we don't want to have. So again, as far as a good rep goes, nice, controlled. You can see here, the movement is so much more controlled. My body doesn't have a bunch of like movement going on to try and help sling that weight up. It's controlled. It's driven from contraction of the calves and hamstrings.